Right now, people are going to start moving and giving a lot of money to the people without any message. Without message. I've been in politics here for almost 15 years, and you know that there is no any politician in Acholi who have the money that I have. I give money strictly for facilitation. Whenever I give, I go to a meeting, I see the population, I know somebody will say start for 4 hours, need the water, need some energy, glucose. I give strictly that. 100, 200 there. It depends on the population. But you find that somebody who even does not have money is giving money, and you start wondering where he has got. What is the source of that money? Where is the source of that money? You know that that person does not have anywhere to get that kind of money. And they are all around moving everywhere and giving money. Where is that? That is stolen money. If you don't know the source, if it's not given by somebody known, then you know that it is stolen money.